Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox this Ford Mustang Dark Horse, which is now version. This is from Q series of 2024. So let's unbox it. Wow, I really like the matte blue finish. They have done excellent work with the paint job. Not so much of details in the base, but the front is exceptional. As you can see, the Mustang logo is clearly seen. The headlights, wow. A number plate with dark horse written on it with the dark horse logo along with brake lights. So it's gonna be my favorite one. I like the way they have given the matte finish over here and the shiny metallic finish. The hood details, the rim, everything is so good. It looks more like a premium car. Had they put rubber tires, definitely it would have been in premium cars. So yeah, I really liked it both sideways, and it looks too good from the front. It looks like a monster waiting to be unleashed. Yeah, overall it's a must-have car according to me. So hope you will like it.